How to turn on Gmail dark mode. Hi everyone, I'm Jesus today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Gmail on your device. Then, in a new page, simply open this experiments page. You can simply type in as shown on the screen at the top in the search bar, which is Chrome, column, backslash, 2 times flags, backslash, hashtag enable force dark. Then you'll find auto dark mode for web contents. There, select enabled. After you've selected enabled, click on relaunch at the bottom right corner of your screen. After you click on relaunch at the bottom right, your Chrome will relaunch and you will find dark mode in Gmail. This is how to turn on dark mode on Gmail. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.